Hey everyone! Recently a user asked me a question. What happens if a page includes a button that calls window.print method? For example, the print, which is a property on the window object, is called as onClick handler right here. If I do this from a browser, well, it pops the system print dialog. If I do it from the test, then it completely blocks the test because notice it just sits there. And even though the test completes, it's not really completed. So not a good solution. Well, here's what we do. Window.print is a method. If you don't like what that method does, you should stub it. To stub something on a window, you call cy.window command, then you get the window object. So this is the object inside the application's iframe. Now you can say cy.stub the object and the method's name, print, and you should give it an alias so you can confirm that it was called later as print. Let's see how it works now. Now notice that it didn't pop the system dialog and instead it called the stub once. And if I call it manually, then you can see every click is a call. Now we can get our stub alias at print and confirm that it was called once. Perfect. There is one more detail that you should know. Application can define on window before print and after print event handlers that are called automatically by window.print. If you stub it, those handlers will not be called. So just keep in mind, maybe you can trigger an event yourself if you need to call those event handlers.